love that you're wearing a Jaws t-shirt right now. Probably the hardest part is getting the gills out. How big do you want these portions? Like 3 pieces?
No, make it like 4.
Yeah, cut in half and then cut in half. That should be good. Great. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Great. What a haul.
Yeah.
One head. Yeah.
Do the bellies in their own separate bag.
Okay. Another delicacy, the salmon bellies.
Yeah, Kim was just saying she always feels such a shame when she throws them away because they're so good.
So here we label the type of fish that you caught there,
Yeah.
and then we've got your angler number there.
That is some kind of
Yeah.
I just saw it. I was like, really?
Here we go.
Crabbing. So you want to line it up on
Yeah.
this little bridge here. You close it up, and it starts going right away.
Oh, I squished your head. Ooh, wow.
And there we go. I'll
Yeah. That's gonna be great.
There we go. Right here.
That's Celsius, everybody.